preventing Firefox from replacing Open URL with Switch to Tab. How can I prevent Firefox from displaying Switch to Tab under my address bar when I enter a URL I have open in another tab? For example, say I have one Spotify open, and I want to open another. When I start typing the URL, Firefox's only option is the Switch to Tab command. I've tried using filters with no result. How do I make Firefox prompt to open new instance of that page as well?
Hit Shift plus Enter. Seems to work for me.
I use the Switch to Tab, no more add-on. It removes the Switch to Tab option entirely, so you don't have to hit Shift every time you try to double open something. That said, I probably would have never installed it if I had known about the Shift plus Enter command Oliver suggested.
You can also hit backspace at the front, or edit the URL in any way and then undo. Then the Switch to Tab disappears.
Fast